Well, we've been seeing pretty pleasant weather for really much of the week. We just unfortunately noticed the return of that active and more gloomy weather for our day yesterday. Unfortunately, that does stay with us as we finish out the week and head on into the weekend. What we saw yesterday was thanks to just a weak system that moved on through. It's now changed over completely into snow showers across the northeast. Can even still see some lake effect activity. But what I'm keeping my eye on really is a slow pressure currently across Oklahoma, where I'm already seeing snow showers. You can see for Kansas, through Omaha, Chicago, even now pushing into Indiana. So that's not good news for us here in the valley. This system just continues to push on east, so good chance we'll see snow showers return tonight and into tomorrow morning. So what we know is it's time that the good news is a lot of this, anything that falls, is more going to be that light, dry snow. So it's going to blow around a little bit, but it should be easy to clear for anything that does accumulate. The storm track itself is going to be off to our south. So that means we're going to be in the calm ahead of snow, which means likely anything that's the heaviest, whether that's heavy and larger snow accumulations or heavy snowfall itself, is likely to our south and east, more so into Pennsylvania and eastern West Virginia. But unfortunately, it does mean we could see some slick roads and could create some tricky travel conditions tonight and into early tomorrow morning. But the good news, much of the day itself remains dry, just unfortunately cold start to the morning, and we stay cold throughout the day. So currently 28 here in Wheeling with a warm spot of 31 to St. Mary's, but as cool as 23 in Cambridge. So make sure you grab that coat as you step out the door this morning, and unfortunately keep it with you. Everyone, though, dips into the 20s, and even by this morning, by 10, 11, we should be back into the 30s, likely maxing out between 36 and 39 this afternoon before we drop back into the low 30s later on this afternoon. But with that upcoming system, though, there is a winter weather advisory that goes into effect this evening, just about 6 p.m. and runs until 3 a.m. tomorrow. This is for everyone here in the valley, so this means good chance we'll see some light snow accumulations and unfortunately some slick roads overnight tonight and into tomorrow. But the good news, so we start the morning just noticing increasing clouds. So like yesterday, might notice a stray pocket of sunshine or two. But once we get past lunchtime, snow showers start to roll back in. So by 4 p.m., heaviest activity still west of I-77. Just a few flurries, maybe even a few raindrops to start to push in. But once we get past dinner time and past sunset, so let's call that 7, 8 p.m., that's when we're going to see these steady snow showers starting to pick up, but the heaviest well south of our area, especially into Pennsylvania. And even once we get to midnight, bulk of the activity starts to wrap up, so by 5 a.m., anything that we see throughout the afternoon, and especially more so towards the late afternoon, evening hours, is just likely going to be some light lake effect snow showers, but could reduce visibility here and there in spots. Most of us, though, should expect about 2 to 4 inches. Spots a little bit further north could see maybe an inch, but the good news is our heaviest snow with this event is more so going to be for central Pennsylvania as well as eastern West Virginia, where they could see about 4 to 8 inches with that. But by the end of the weekend, we're back to sunshine. Sunday, Monday, plenty of sunshine in the 40s before we're back into the 50s. Partly cloudy Tuesday and Wednesday. Then 56 with a few rain showers that try to linger into our day on Thursday.